Hello, Reclock! If you practice minimalism, loves natural products, and care about the value and durability of the products you buy, then Muji is the perfect store for you. Muji is a very famous retail company in Japan that has almost 1,000 stores nationwide and abroad. Muji comes from the words Mujirushi Ryohen, which means no brand quality goods. This means Muji practices a no brand strategy to spend less on advertisement as well as to cater to people who prefer unbranded but of great quality products. So what can you buy at Muji? They sell a variety of products such as clothing, household items, school supplies, and more. They're also famous for their travel items such as luggages, packing cubes, travel-size skincare items, and even containers. A lot of stores even now sell food and drinks. Muji's store is very aesthetic in its own right. The colors are neutral, which would look so beautiful and attractive to minimalist people. They're very customer-oriented too. You can go test their beds without taking off your shoes, which is not so common in other shops. Also, if you're a tourist traveling in Japan for less than 6 months, Muji has so many tax-free branches for you to take advantage of.